YouTubers, I got Red Ryder 2-pack to shoot with my dad.
All right. They've been practicing for a little bit now. There's Jimmy out there. He's taking the blunt of it. A couple Red Bull cans.
And he's already got slides, so he can look at the
Ooh.
Did I hear it?
No, I didn't hear anything that time. You're going to hear the contact.
Yeah. You loaded me pretty good there. Oh, that did not go to the right place.
On?
Oh,
Yeah. Safety on.
yeah. Now the safety is off.
Woo! All right, I'm going to tell you also, you want to use your safety stance or your balance the same as you
I'm
would
going
in...
to get a little bit closer.
Same
You get
Listen.
closer for
Woo!
it. You're hitting it. You don't
I'm
get
over here,
closer.
buddy. The same as you would in karate. Right foot back. And so, because I see you kind of swaying in the wind. Yeah, like that. And it's going to ricochet.
It is. I made a little shot in the bullseye. Dad, you got the tallest can. I'm aiming for the can that's down. What the hell? I turned it on.
Oh,
Did I
okay.
hit the bottom? I think I did.
Yeah, you hit the cans.
And I bet it goes through the can.
Hey,
Here, sir.
you were walking into fire.
You got to stand back here.
Stand back a little bit.
What the flip? I turned it on.
Woo! Are you having a good time?
Uh-huh. All I don't like is that stupid safety thing.
Yeah, the stupid safety thing. The thing that
Stupid safety thing keep you alive.
keeps people safe.
I sure I hit one.
Definitely did.
Why does it keep on going in a place I don't want to go?
You're pointing it towards your dad. Is it on safety?
Yeah.
Okay. Safety or not, we don't point it towards people, okay? No, that was a little too high.
It didn't have a bullet in it.
I
Oh,
do.
yeah? It did sound like
Just there.
more air. Is it getting easier to cock it?
Not really.
You're just getting better at it?
What the what?
I don't know. That can is not coming down. I've hit it like 15 times. You hit it. And then hit the fence.
I hope I did.
I can't. I don't know. It's indestructible. What did you put in it? Just water?
There's nothing in that can. Not in the top.
Well, I mean, it's not. There's no water coming out of it.
Yeah, because there's nothing in it.
Well, it's not knocking. Can't.
Wait, no, you're walking into the line of fire, buddy.
Oh. You hit the gate.
Okay.
What was that? I'm gonna hit Jimmy right in the face.
Jimmy's a bad guy, right?
No, Jimmy's not a bad guy. Jimmy's
Why would Why would you hit him in the face if he's not a bad guy?
Alright, let's
He's a
see.
criminal.
Jimmy isn't a.
There it goes.
Jimmy isn't a criminal.
Well, then don't shoot at Jimmy.
Jimmy right between the eyes. Right between the eyes.
No, you're toward Jimmy.
I'm
Jimmy's
poking
good.
his eye out. Poked his eye out.
No, you didn't. Yeah, I didn't hit Jimmy. I hit him right there. Oh, foot. Jimmy. Letter Jimmy from Mr. Beast. Letter Jimmy. Mr. Beast. Yeah. I hit him right in the face. Make sure to hit that like and subscribe button.